One of the most underrated fruits. Nature has blessed us with amazing fruits and added unique qualities to treat various health conditions. Soursop is one of those magical fruits. It belongs to the custard apple family. The botanical name for soursop is Annona muricata. The tree grows about 8 meters with 26 centimeters long leaves. It is grown the whole year, however, the peak season for soursop in late winter. This video discusses everything you need to know about this incredible fruit. Where is it cultivated? The exact origin of soursop, called Soursop in Asia, is not known. However, early evidence shows that it belongs to the West Indies and South America. Native Americans used to grow and cultivate this tree for thousands of years. Soursop is exported to various countries such as Italy, Nigeria, and Southeast Asian countries as well. There are many varieties of this fruit, and 14 of them exist in the island of Puerto Rico. Low temperature is not suitable for the fruit, so it is grown in relatively humid and warm temperatures. A short history of soursop. Thousands of years ago, the Native Americans, in north of South America, used this fruit for various health conditions such as asthma and heart failure. Similarly, early evidence shows that the fruit belongs to the Caribbean islands. Nowadays, the fruit is commonly grown in many countries such as Bermuda, China, Mexico, Australia, Peru, and Puerto Rico. It was first discovered by Spanish historian Gonzalo Fernández de Oviedo y Valdez in 1526, and it came to Florida after 1879. Facts and figure about soursop fruit. Out of 2,000 species of Annona, soursop is the most cultivated species in the world. It is dark green when unripe and light green when fully ripen. This fruit can weigh up to 10 kilograms. The seed of the plant is used as an insecticide. It is also known as a miracle tree in many countries around the world. Some people use this fruit as bait in fish traps. The seed and bark of the tree should be avoided as they are toxic due to the presence of annonan and hydrocyanic acid. How to eat this fruit? There are endless ways to eat this fruit. You can either make shakes, juices, or eat directly in desserts or ice creams. After picking up the fruit, let it ripe for a few more days and then enjoy it raw, in a shake, dessert, ice creams, yogurt, or your favorite smoothie. The pulp is good for jellies and sauce as well. Researchers don't recommend eating the seed of the fruit. Nutritional facts. Soursop is a nutrient-rich fruit. It contains about 68% of pulp, 20% fruit skin, and 9% fruit seeds. 100 grams of the fruit offers 276 kilocalories energy, 16.8 grams carbs, 3.3 grams of dietary fibers, and 0.3 grams of fats. It contains vitamin C, vitamin B9, and vitamin B1 as 20.6 milligrams, 14 ug, and 0.07 milligrams, respectively. Health benefits of soursop. Soursop offers some incredible health benefits as it contains useful vitamins and minerals to boost your overall health. The following are some of the notable health benefits of this fruit. 1. Cancer prevention. Cancer is one of the leading diseases around the world. Soursop can be very effective in killing cancerous cells. According to one study by Cancer Research UK, the plant extracts have been found to cure breast and liver cancer. Similarly, another scientific research showed that the plant stopped the growth of leukemia cells. According to the Journal of Carcinogenesis, the barks, leaves, and roots of the tree have a great potential to combat cancer and other diseases. The Cancer Treatment Center of America doesn't encourage eating the fruit for cancer, which leaves space for more clinical research in the future. 2. Boosts immunity. The human body has its own effective defense system against diseases and virus attacks. Due to unhealthy foods, this defense weakens and many kinds of viruses and bacteria attack the body. A study published in Biomed Research International showed that vitamin C could be useful for the low immune system, and luckily, soursop fruit offers more vitamin C than many other fruits. Therefore, it will be a great addition to boost your immune system. Additionally, according to the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research, soursop kills many bacteria, viruses, and prevent yeast infection, all of which improve immunity. 3. Analgesic properties. This fruit is incredibly helpful for wounds and other injuries. If you have a wound, then you need to eat this fruit for the maximum relief from the pain. The analgesic properties of the fruit will diminish the signs of pain, and your wound will be pain-free in no time. You can either apply it externally or eat this impressive pain reliever. 4. Regulates blood sugar level. There is no direct study on humans to check the effectiveness of the fruit for a high blood sugar level. However, some animal studies showed that it could regulate a healthy blood sugar level in the body. For example, in scientific research, some rats were injected with the extract of soursop, and the blood sugar level was 5 times lower than the previously recorded level. Similarly, it was reduced to 75% in another study. 5. Improves eye health. If you want to improve your eye health, you are in the right place. Soursop fruit offers incredible services in treating the eye disease and boosts your eye health to a large extent. It contains vitamins C and E along with impressive antioxidant properties. Research has shown that it reduces oxidative stress and age-related muscular degeneration (AMD) to boost your eye health. 6. Treats fever. Soursop fruit also treats fever and its symptoms to a large extent. In Africa, many tribes use the leaves of this tree to treat fever because studies have concluded that it is effective against mosquitoes that spread dengue fever. Similarly, according to Purdue University, soursop fruit offers an admirable job for treating fever in children as well. Other health benefits of soursop fruit. Many animal studies concluded that it could treat inflammation. Studies have shown that the fruit treats diabetes. According to an Indian study, soursop fruits kills cancerous liver cells to boost liver health. According to the Journal of Medicinal Foods, soursop fruit improves respiratory health and treats asthma. You can use this fruit for digestive health as well. It is also an excellent fruit for skin and hair health. Soursop is an ancient fruit, and it comes with countless health benefits. Nature has added almost everything to this fruit, but it remains one of the most underrated fruits in the world. Do you think more clinical trials on humans should be performed to check its effectiveness? Let me know in the comments. Also, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, that will make my day.